Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels in a Canon MB2150. This is very simple and can be done from the control panel found on the front of the printer with a single button press. But first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, press that button to be taken here. Now, there's actually a dedicated button from the main page of the printer which has 4 ink drops for cyan, magenta, yellow and black. You just press the button directly underneath it to be taken in there. And here you get a visual representation of how much ink your printer thinks it has within the yellow, black, cyan and magenta. My cyan here, you'll see, has an exclamation mark above it, indicating that the printer thinks that ink cartridge is running low. It's not saying it can't recognize it, just that it's running incredibly low, as indicated by that little slither of blue found at the bottom. And there's not tons else to see here. The only thing you might be interested in is the button on the right hand side, which takes you into all of the different ink cartridge codes that your printer can use. You've got the standard capacities and the extra large ones, which are marked with that XL suffix. If you're interested in the ink levels due to a print quality issue you're having, that's unlikely to actually be a direct result of the ink cartridges. This printer has a mechanical print head that the ink is shot from the bottom of onto the page, so any print quality issues are more likely to be down to a blockage or some congealed ink on that, rather than an issue with the cartridges themselves, which are just like simple tanks of ink when it comes down to it. So if that's something you're experiencing, I'd recommend checking out our videos on test pages and cleaning cycles for this printer, which you can also find on our channel. I hope this has been useful for you. If it has, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.